Hey tech enthusiasts, today I'm diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the hottest mid-range smartphones on the market, the Infinix Zero 40 and the OnePlus Nord 4. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, design. The Infinix Zero 40 sports a curved plastic build with a sleek dual-tone matte finish. Its rear panel features a triple camera setup in a ring module and comes in pink, silver and black. On the flip side, the OnePlus Nord 4 boasts a metal body with a dual-tone finish. The mercurial silver variant has a cool 2D laser-etched design, while the Obsidian Midnight and Oasis Green editions offer unique textured finishes. The Nord 4's IP65 rating gives it an edge over the Zero 40's IP54, offering better protection against dust and water splashes. Next, let's talk display. The Infinix Zero 40 wins with its larger 6.78-inch 144Hz screen, compared to the Nord 4's 6.74-inch 120Hz panel. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which the Nord 4 lacks. However, the Nord 4's higher 1.2K resolution offers a crisper viewing experience than the Zero 40's Full HD Plus resolution. Now, performance. While I haven't tested the Infinix Zero 40 yet, the OnePlus Nord 4 features the powerful Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 SoC, overshadowing the Zero 40's MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chip. The Nord 4 starts with 8GB RAM, but the Zero 40 brings in 12GB RAM, making multitasking smoother. During my tests, the Nord 4 scored impressive marks on Antutu and Geekbench. On to cameras. On paper, the Infinix Zero 40 appears superior with a 108MP main sensor versus the Nord 4's 50MP shooter. It also includes a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP depth sensor. The 50MP front camera on the Zero 40 is likely to outshine the Nord 4's 20MP front snapper. Battery and charging is where the Nord 4 takes the lead. It offers a 500 mAh battery and 100W fast charging, while the Zero 40 has a 5000 mAh battery with 45W charging. It does support 20W wireless charging, a feature the Nord 4 lacks. In my test, the Nord 4 lasted nearly 17 hours and charged from 20% to 100% in just 23 minutes. Finally, software. Both phones run the latest Android 14, the Infinix Zero 40 features XOS, while the Nord 4 uses Oxygen OS. Both offer a smooth, customizable experience with minimal bloatware. So which mid-range phone wins? If you prioritize display and camera, the Infinix Zero 40 is your pick. But if performance, battery life, and build quality are crucial, the OnePlus Nord 4 stands out. Ultimately, it boils down to your personal needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech comparisons. See you next time.